Yeah, I think she's got it in her. Come on, baby. Okay, we're testing highs a little bit of this candle. We're not going crazy here. Come on, baby. Oh, getting a phone call. Gotta run. All right, folks, I am back. So this is, I guess, part 2 to this video. I had to take a call there, so I just decided to get out of the trade. It was a decent time to take. I knew it was about half profit right there. So I grabbed, you can see 280. And then I actually hopped back in after that call ended. It wasn't very long. So, and my target was 16,839. And somewhere around there, I guess I got 63875. Anyway, so pulled in 295, which is pretty good. So good day for me. Pulled in over $1,000 in the account. So the account value now is at 51,879.9. We care about decimals. I want that 90 cents. Anyhow, yeah, so good day. I will see you guys soon, and we're on our way to 53,000, which is where this thing needs to go. So we're on our way. All right, talk to you soon.